If you take a walk outside in nature, you will see some beautiful things, colorful flowers, green pastures, or a tiny ant. The ant is created with many surprising qualities. The insect can cut off or lift crumbs bigger than its own body and carry them easily back to its nest. Distances that are very long in relation to the size of its body. It can find its nest on an endless floor of leaves. Such a little creature cannot calculate these things by itself. It is Almighty God who inspires it and reveals in the ant His name, the Compassionate. The way ivy spreads on branches or on any other surface is a process that we should carefully consider. If this growth were videotaped and later watched in fast motion, you would notice that the ivy moves as if it had consciousness. It is as if it saw that there was a branch nearby, lassoed it, and attached itself to it. Sometimes it even secures itself by winding around the branch several times. In this way it spreads quickly, and when it finishes expanding in one direction, it turns around, goes down, and heads in a new direction. Another beautiful thing that God has created is the scent of flowers. For example, a rose has a constantly strong smell that wafts in all directions. Even the latest technology cannot duplicate the scent of a rose. When laboratory experiments attempt to copy this smell, the results are extremely disappointing. The smells produced while trying to duplicate the scent of a rose are usually too strong and disturbing, or they fade within a very short time. However, the scent of a rose does not cause disturbance. Even like a rose, its scent lingers until it wilts. Trees that carry water up meters high are another miracle. Have you seen how water can reach the high branches and leaves of those majestic high trees that you see everywhere? Trees carry water from the depths of the earth to a height of many meters, and they do this without the help of a pump. To better understand this perfect, Let's consider an example. In order to raise water to the top floors of a building, a pump is used. Without using this or another device with a strong motor, water cannot even run up to the lower floors. However, trees can perform this function without a pump or a motor. They somehow manage to draw water up to their topmost leaves. Roots and stems are designed for retention in water. As the water rises, the tubes narrow, which enables the water to climb upwards. Water molecules strongly attract one another, and water is drawn up to the highest leaves. It is Almighty God who has created the vein system in leaves and the structure of water in harmony with each other. As related in the following verse of the Qur'an, God, who possesses infinite compassion and mercy, has given plants to the service of beings and other living things. God is He who created the heavens and the earth and sends down water from the sky, and by it brings forth fruits as provision for you.